get ready with me to do nothing. So this isn't really a get ready with me, but it's kind of just like a morning routine, I guess. So first of all, let's just pick out an outfit. So I literally just find a top, that's it. Okay, never mind, I found my outfit. I'm gonna go brush my teeth now. I'm in my bathroom. Also, the video's coming up. You might see me recording in here because it's got quite good lighting. Look how good that is. I literally feel dead. Okay, well, that's that brushing. Do I have a filter on? I think I do. Never mind, I don't. It looks like I don't, but I don't. I'll be back after I finish. I just finished brushing my teeth, now let's get dressed. This is the outfit. I have some shorts and a skirt. Now, I'll be back after I do my skincare and makeup, so yes. So, here's the finished look. The hair's not that good. Makeup, you can't even see it. Here's the outfit. Bye.